Hello friends and followers, and welcome back to a new project. My name is Smoe, I'm a German graffiti artist, and today, after a half of a year, we will finally paint on my garden wall again. And it is in a really bad condition. And the first thing that we need to do is to prepare the wall and scrape off all the loose material. So this will take a little bit. I just didn't find another scraper tool, but the axe is really working so well. Okay, and we got a guest, Mr. Moan. I think I've made the most videos on my channel with Moan now, and I love his energy. And now we will continue preparing the wall. I think the lifespan of this wall is closely coming to an end. I think after this summer I will have to make a renewal of this wall. I don't know how, but maybe completely destroying it and building it up new or something, I don't know. Das ist hier gar nicht notwendig irgendwie, ne? And of course we work only with high quality paint. This is a real special paint that also got a little bit of thick pieces in there because of the good quality. And you know, regular wall paint is just a liquid, and this high special paint, this has also these quality pieces in there. This is all for the good quality.
It's nice.
Make it a little bit thinner with some quality water. Bitumen, the cheapest background paint you can get. absolutely not happy with the color combination somehow. Most times you just need to continue and it will look good at the end. Now I've got the feeling like this needs something, but I don't know what.
You want a hug?
Yo friends and followers, I think we are done. I know that you want to see the final result, but beforehand I need to say a big thanks to Montana Cans for supporting us with a lot of full spray cans, but this one is empty. This is the final result! And at this point, I want to say a big thanks to my supporters on Patreon, Helpy Gang. Thanks a lot. You have seen this video more than a week earlier than everyone else, and you always get nice spoilers of all the crazy projects I'm doing recently. Thanks a lot for your support. And of course I want to say a big thanks to Moan for this great graffiti activity in my garden.
Thanks a lot for having me here.
And a big thanks to my cameraman THÖSER.